Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 2 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, so we have successfully completed the chapter 2, which was about emotion, and all the links are given in the description section below. You can visit the playlist section as well, and you can visit the video section of our YouTube channel as well if you have missed any of the previous lecture. So since we have completed the chapter 2, which was all about emotions, now it is time to apply psychology to everyday life. Because we are not only studying psychology, we will also learn to apply it on our daily life. So, in this video, you will learn a how to of happiness. If you want to achieve the level of happiness, here are some of the suggestions, some of the techniques which we will be learning in this video to become a happy person. And if we want to be happy, if we want to create our happiness, this video is all about a how to of happiness. So, one emotion that is probably nearest and dearest to most people is happiness, a state of well being and contentment that is much to be desired. Now, social psychologist David G. Mears is widely recognized as a leader in the field of research into happiness, and he is also one of the supporters of the positive psychology movement, a viewpoint that recommends shifting the focus of psychology away from the negative, which include abuse, anxiety, depression, and all the things that can go wrong, to a more positive focus on strength, well being, and the pursuit of happiness. Now, according to the Mears and others, happiness is the key to many things: the perception of world as a safer place, healthier and more satisfying lives, and even the ability to make decisions more easily. Happy people are also more likely to help others. So, how can people become happier? Now, in his book, The Pursuit of Happiness, Mears, which was written by Mears in 1993, lists 10 suggestions for becoming happier that are based on his many years of research. So, we will be learning and we will be discussing all those 10 suggestions one by one. Number 1, realize that enduring happiness doesn't come from success. Money, power, and fame does not guarantee happiness. If people don't have wealth, they may be in miserable, unhappy circumstances, but the reverse is not necessarily true. Money rarely doesn't buy happiness. Psychiatrists and clinical psychologists often have very wealthy, successful people as clients. Number 2, take control of your time. People who feel in control of their lives by good time management skills are also happier people. Setting goals and breaking those goals down into steps can help a person see progress on a daily basis. Make lists and cross off items as they are finished. Number 3, act happy. Since we have learned a lot about the facial feedback theory and facial feedback hypothesis, so you can apply that over here. Now put on a happy face. When people smile, it releases chemicals that make them feel better. And when they frown, the opposite occurs. So think happy, talk happy, act happy, and you'll be happier. Number 4, seek work and leisure activities that engage your skills. Doing things that are challenging without being overwhelming can result in more happiness in both work and leisure activities. There can be more happiness in tending one's garden than in taking a world tour. Number 5, join the movement. Exercise, particularly aerobic exercise, will not only help you to feel better and look better physically, but also it relieves depression and anxiety. Get moving and get happier. Number 6, give your body the sleep it wants. Now, sleep deprivation is bad for the mind, the body, and the mood. So, sleep deprived people are crabby, whereas people who have time to sleep and rest adequately are typically happier. Number 7, give priority to close relationships. A good social support system just can't be beat. friends offer support and help to get you through the bad times, take time to nurture friendship and relationships. Number 8, focus beyond the self. Not only do happy people help other people more readily, but also they are happier for doing so. So, helping others make people feel good. Number 9, keep a gratitude journal. Writing down the positive things that you have, such as a good thing that happened today, the friend you saw, and things you did and enjoyed, also boost a sense of well being. Last but not least, number 10, nurture your spiritual self. Now, people with a strong sense of faith also tend to be happier. Communities based on shared belief system about faith provide a good support system. So these communities can also give a person a sense of purpose and provide hope during the times of stress. So people involved in these communities also tend to help others too. So these were 10 suggestions that were written by the Mears based on his years of research. These 10 suggestions are the key to happiness. So if you want to be happy, just follow these 10 suggestions, grab a notebook and a pencil and write down all these 10 suggestions, follow them, apply it on your life, and you'll be a happy person. So this was all about today's video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video. If there was any point which was a bit confusing, you did not understood, you can ask us in the comment section and we will be happy to help you out, or other viewers are also there to help you out. And if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so you will never ever miss any notification. You can also share the link of this video, the link of our channel, with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.